Now we will move forward and we'll discuss about the Sagittarius, how will be the new year looks for you. In one line, we can say that for Sagittarius people, it will be the exciting year for you. And this time Saturn is sitting in your fourth house, which is your mother house, property, luxury, comfort, and your family environment house. So this time you will see that you will have the lack of peace in your home. You will have some kind of fight or argument in your home, and because of that, you want to leave your house. So you will think that let me go for the study or let me go for the job, and then you will leave the house. And this all happened because of the Saturn, and Saturn is a god of sorrow, and where he sits there he'll create some problems. So you will see all the problems in your home environment, and this time you will be more focused on self development, self improvement, and for that you will be upgrading yourself and learning new things. And during April, May, your mother might get some health related issues, especially leg or knee or any bone related issues she might get. So take care of her health. And this time Saturn is aspecting your 10th house. So you will be working like hell and you will be craving for change, because this time you will think that I have done enough job. Now it's enough for me. I have done everything for this organization. Now let me switch my job. I'm not getting desired respect over here, or I want to start my own business. Something you want to do this time, and you will be craving for that. And if you want to start something of your own, then check your horoscope before that. And this time you wanted to have some kind of change. Either you will switch job or you will start something of your own. On other hand, your father will see shortage of money. So it means that your father will get retired. So which will give you fluctuation in his money. And this time Saturn is aspecting your first house. So where you will see that you started talking very slowly and your work is also getting delayed. And Saturn is aspecting sixth house. So this year is not good for taking loan. If you're planning for the big loan, then try to have the small loans, or try to avoid that if you can. So it will be problematic to repay that. And even though you will see that for getting loan also you are facing some kind of problems and slowness. And this time you will be having the confidence in you, and you will be motivating yourself to do the work, and you are not making any excuses. You will be having the attitude, let's do it, and now bring it on, I'm ready to do it. And this time Jupiter will be in your seventh house, and where Jupiter is inhabited, there it will create the problems, but where Jupiter is aspecting, there it will give the tremendous results. So where you will see that you will be having the problem in marriage, or you have fights in your marriage, or you are getting delays in your marriage. And this fights and argument in marriage you will notice during May to September time period, and your in-laws will also have the interference there. And some married couple will plan for the baby, they might get the medical issues, and in this time period your partner is going to gain the weight. So take care of their health and diet. So this time Jupiter is aspecting your first house. So you will have good health, not any major issue you will have, but only you will have sensitive stomach, which means that you are not able to eat anything at any time. And Jupiter is aspecting your 11th house, which is your profit and gain house, which means that you have to take a step and then you can witness the magic. And if you're doing the business with relatives or with your friends, then you can get the more profit. And this time Jupiter is aspecting your third house, which is your hard work house. So you can see that with less hard work you are getting more profit, so which means that less effort, more profit. And you will get many opportunities in this year to grow, and you will see all the changes in the mid of the year. So we can summarize it, you are getting growth, but after facing the challenges, then only you are getting the growth. And after May, when Jupiter will transit, then you will see that things are coming on track, where hard work is reduced and you are getting more profit with less effort. And you will see that your financial condition is also improving, and even you will go towards new source of income. And for students, if you are planning for competitive exam or higher education, then after May you will get the success. If you are willing to have the admission in reputed institute, then you will get the success. And even many Sagittarius students will purchase new course or doing certification or trying for the internship. So which means that this time Sagittarius students don't want to sit idle, depend on luck or college placement. They are more serious about their career and putting more efforts this time. And this time you will get money in share market or selling the property. And this time you need to understand importance of saving, because you will see the fluctuation in your money and your mental peace will also reduce. So you need to have backup ready for yourself. And this year you will be traveling and enjoying with your family. You will be traveling to religious places as well. Overall, we can say that you will be seeing the changes, but not that smoothly, but you have to accept that changes. Then only you can see the good results. For marriage and love relationship, this is not the good year. For students, this is the good year. And for business, it will be mixed. But if you are doing the foreign related business, then this is the good time period for you. So this year, don't make any perception. Don't believe in anyone. Just be practical this time. Here on alternative months, you will feel stressed and feels lack of peace. And mostly it's due to work because you want expansion, growth, and you want more and more things in your life, so which is good also, but do the meditation, it will help you to in this situation. And remedies for this year: offer water to people tree and visit gurudwara and have langar prasad over there. Now this is all about the Sagittarius sign. Now comment what will be your new year resolution.